And the tablet's design has been now, let's say, perfected to the idea that you can use it in a gesture-based mode, because the OS doesn't have any buttons, or we don't have any buttons. The industrial design supports the idea of swipes and so forth. Now we do have volume rocker and the power button, but they are the only buttons that we have. So how you open up the device is then a double tap. Of course you can use the volume rocker, but this is the easiest way. Now the lock screen already shows you the notifications and what you have, and gives you information about the time and so forth. Now the applications are always accessible from the bottom, where you pull the let's say tab up, and then you can always access the applications, which is key, because it is very quick to interact. Now to go to home, you simply swipe from right to left or left to right, and now you have the home view. And as you can see, we have what's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 applications open. And what's important to understand that this is a true multitasking view to the applications. These are always on. These are really being run in the back. And now if I, for example, let's not take that. If I click, for example, that application, it turns it up. It is really live. And now how you go to home, either way, and you are back. So what I can do here is that I can integrate with the applications if I want. But or let them be there in the background. Now the applications again, bottom up. If you want to lock the device, top down, or change the ambience. And now we have the so-called carousel, and then we can go to the partner view, partner UI. And the idea of the partner UI is that you have your favorite service or application always on, swipe away. So it's a totally different thing, like having one application here and you click it on and you go and interact with the application and service, than having it here. You have your favorite, I don't know, streaming service or a social media service or e-commerce service. It could be like your favorite store or e-commerce place. It's just swipe away and always on. So it's intuitive, it's quick to access, and it's very immersive, and also very powerful for the e-commerce or service provider. This is like a calm area for the brand and the consumer to interact. And then you can go to the notifications. So as you can see, this is a carousel, because we are back at home. If you want to go to the carousel, you could also start this way. So here I have the events view. I have my weather data, I have my messages, SMSs, emails, Twitter feeds, and Facebook notifications. Basically all those applications or account plugins that I've installed. I also have this kind of an area where I can fine-tune the settings of the device, and then some quick links to different things. But this event view has been totally, let's say, redone, and I really like it because it's very intuitive, it's very quick to understand with one glimpse, and then quick to interact. And again, same controls apply. Applications, closing, if you want to rotate, home. So you are in the gallery, or actually people application. How do you go to home? Is this. And then if you want to use swipe to close, there you go. Double tap to open, double tap to open, and then you go to home. So this is very, we don't use any buttons, we use gestures, and now I think that the new UI, the tablet form factor, are a perfect companion. And of course, I didn't show it to you, but you can use it in a portrait mode as well. All the controls stay as is, no difference. You go on.
We met last year.